Hi, Scott Dillon here at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. We're going to take a look at a brand new Sea Ray SLX 260 with the surf drive and matching trailer. All right, so if you're looking for a traditional V-bottom runabout, but you also want the ability to surf, this is probably a really good model for you. So V-seating up here in the bow, I love the amount of storage that they put on this boat. We've got the bow filler seat stored up in here. We've got the teak cockpit table stowed in here. We've got the cover stowed in here. We've got the shade stored in here, and there's still room. So really nice. Also, vacuum flush head, as well as in-floor storage. This one is gonna have your full LED lighting package, so cup holders, seat bases, underwater in the back, fully LED lighted. Fusion tower speakers, and an oversized bimini top. Probably one of the biggest bimini tops you'll see on anything fiberglass, 26 foot or smaller. Twin screens in the dash, just like all the other SLXs, and upgraded stereo, so subwoofer, extra amplifiers. Very good sound system from Fusion Audio on this one. So if you got any questions about this or any other boats you see online, pick up the phone. I'd love to talk to you.